Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel. Let's start the video. In today's video I will discuss what is pandas. Pandas is an open source Python library used for data manipulation and analysis. It provides easy to use structure and functions for working with structured data such as a table, spreadsheet and CSV files, and also database. Key feature of pandas: read and write data from CSV file, Excel, JSON, SQL database, clean and pre-processed data, filter, sort and group data, handle missing values, merge and join dataset, perform statistical analysis, create summary reports. So if you want to install pandas in your system, write this command: pip install pandas. Main data structure: first is a series, one dimensional labeled array. Second is a data frame, two dimensional labeled array with rows, columns. Student, example: student is curly braces, name. Example, you can in the square bracket, Anki, Manu. If it is a string, use the single quote or double quote. If it is an integer, you can write the without the single quote or double quote. Then the df define the data frame is equal to pd is a short form of the pandas data frame. Student, df is a print. It is write the in the table format. Common pandas functions: pd.read csv file, df.head display first 5 rows. If you want the last 5 rows, you can write the df.tail function. df.info show dataset information. df.describe generate statistical summary. df.drop remove rows and columns. df.fill handle missing rows. df dot group by group data for analysis. df dot sort underscore values sort data. Why use pandas? So faster, easier data analysis, handle large data set efficiently, widely used in data science, machine learning, data analysis, reading CSV files. Import pandas as pd. df is equal to pd dot read csv. So this is the CSV file with the .csv extension. Print df dot head. It is a function. It's print the first 5 row of the CSV file. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like and share the press the button. Thank you so much.